Bien, chicos, y ahora vamos a hablar del capítulo 9.3. El tema es qué and cuál. Y I'm going to show you here what we have in the textbook, but also I'm going to use a different document to make it easier to understand. And I'm going to use my own words. Here, acá tenemos, let me share this document, qué and cuál. We're going to compare only so far when to use qué and when to use cuál. We have other words, question words like cómo, cuándo, por qué, a qué hora, dónde, etc. But mostly the confusing part is when to use qué and cuál. Okay, let's focus on qué only for now. Qué is going to be used first when we're talking about a definition. What is a definition? A definition is describing something using your own words or what something is doing for. For example, una mesa. What is a table? Table is a piece of furniture that people use to study. You can sit on it using a chair and you can eat, etc. It's a piece of wood or furniture, right? What is a computer? A computer is a device that people use to enter information and to work, something like that. That's a definition. What is a book? A book is a set of pages with information on it and people read it. That's a definition. Yeah. So that's when we use que. Now, when we use definitions with que, we're going to use also these possibilities. No? Normally, let me tell you this in English. What is a book? What? Okay. Es. It's going to be es if we're using singular. What is un libro. ¿Qué es un libro? We're going to use indefinite articles when talking about definitions. It's like in English. What is a book? We never say, what is the book? What is the book? No, it sounds weird. What is a book? We're trying to define what is a book. So we're going to use ¿qué es? Or qué son, but in this case singular. ¿Qué es un libro? ¿Qué es una botella? What is a bottle? Bottle is a container where you can put liquid on it. Huh? ¿Qué es qué es una? Or what is this? ¿Qué es esto? Esto es un libro. That's a definition. So we're going to use que, number one, when we're talking about definitions, and the key word would be to use, you're going to see the verb to be and indefinite articles like una. You can see also unos or unas, but and esto. What is this? But these are the two most common because normally you ask for a definition of one thing. What is a book? What is a table? What is a student? What is a planet? Yeah. So this is the first possibility. Que with definitions. The other possibility would be explanation. When we're talking about an explanation and the possibilities are unlimited. For example, ¿qué comiste ayer? What did you eat yesterday? Oh, I can tell you that I ate unlimited items like tacos, I ate chicken, pollo, I ate many things, unlimited. Yeah, the possibilities are very open. And normally with this situation, what we use is a verb right after que. ¿Qué comiste? ¿Qué estudiaste? ¿O qué comes? ¿O qué estudias? ¿Qué piensas? What do you think? No? Many possibilities, unlimited in reality. Yeah. So that's the second one, explanation and limited possibilities. ¿Qué? For definition. ¿Qué es un libro? What is a book? Number two, an explanation and unlimited possibilities. ¿Qué comes? ¿Qué estudias? ¿Qué lees? Yeah. And the third one and the easiest one is a noun. When you use if you have a noun and you have in the quiz what to use, que or cual, because it is a noun, you will have to use que for sure. Bien, for example, ¿qué libro te gusta? What book do you like? ¿Qué libro? Oh, libro is a noun. ¿Qué? You would never say, ¿cuál libro te gusta? ¿Cuál libro te gusta is wrong. Why? Because libro is a noun, and the word that we're looking for is right before it. ¿Qué libro? ¿Qué profesor es de Perú? ¿Qué profesor? What teacher is from Peru? In this case, it's me. ¿Qué profesor? You would never say, ¿cuál profesor es de Perú? Because profesor is a noun, you will have to use ¿qué? In any situation. Before a noun, always ¿qué? Yeah? So these are the three possibilities. Now, ¿cuál? When to use ¿cuál? When you have more than one possibility, but limited. For example, ¿cuál de estos libros prefieres? Which of these two books do you prefer? The possibilities are limited. Yeah. ¿Cuál de estos dos libros prefieres? Bien. ¿Cuál de? De is not a noun, so that's why I'm using cuál. If I say, ¿cuál libro prefieres? That's wrong, because libro is a noun. I will have to say, ¿qué libro prefieres? ¿Este o este? Yeah. But because we're talking about more than one possibility, without using a noun, you have to use cuál. Now, the other key to remember is that I just said, cuál never before a noun, never before a noun. And here I'm going to show you also what we have in the textbook. The rules are very similar, but the way they show these rules are a little confusing for students. So I highly recommend to use this little sheet that I created. And also we have more question words, interrogative words and phrases. So we talked already about cuál and qué. Now we also have a qué hora, a dónde, cómo, cuál or cuáles, which we already saw, cuándo, cuánto or cuánta, cuántos, cuántas, de dónde, por qué, quién or quiénes. Bien, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Gracias.